Hello, I'm Michael Lockley, and I'm the lead facilitator for the Business Communication and Report Writing course for Astrotech Learning. And I'm here to convince you that you should be attending this course to improve your communication ability, not only within the business world, but also within your private life. When we open our mouths to talk, when we write something down, we're not talking to ourselves. It's so important that we understand why we're talking, why we're writing, whether it be a report, an email, whether it be a conversation or sitting in a meeting, to ensure that we get the outcomes that we hope to achieve through our communication. If we were to look at a classic definition of communication, we'll probably realize that often we're not communicating at all. We're just going around making a noise. We need to ensure that we gain understanding, that we gain feedback around all our communication to make sure that it is effective. And this course is about effective communication. We are inundated with so much information within the business world. And we teach you to be simple, to have brevity, but not lose your personality in your communication with the colleagues and the managers around you. We teach you the aspects of logos, pathos, and ethos within the course, and come on the course to learn more about that. It's very important that we touch on those aspects in most of our communications, and those are the three keys to make sure that when we look at what we're writing, we think about the conversations we're going to have, that we're actually successful in locking into the audience, because it's no good trying to be clever around our own subject matter expertise, then we're showing off. It's tapping into the level of the audience and their understanding of what it is you're trying to get across, and making sure you're talking to them, you're writing to them, and you're not just talking and writing to yourself. We have a lot of interactive exercises, fun exercises around making sure that we have proper sentence construction, that we use proper grammar in terms of punctuation, etc. A lot of people feel that that's old hat, but in the business world and the professional aspect and quality of your communication, it's very important that you remember when you write something down, it can be printed, it can be distributed, and it's your brand as well as the company's brand that you work for that's going to either fly or it's going to drop in terms of people's perception of your ability to communicate. We also look at your own personal communication style and how that affects your communication style, but equally and more importantly, how you can tap into understanding other styles around you, and you tap into that particular audience's style to ensure that your communications become more effective. It's a brilliant course, full of interaction, and it also shows you different types of report writing, from proposals right through to concepts of monthly reports, etc. And therefore, I cannot recommend highly enough that you attend this course and improve your ability to communicate, which obviously is going to help you in terms of your career. They've often heard that people with the gift of the gab are the ones that rise through the organization, and that's one aspect. But if you are comfortable and more comfortable in terms of your communication ability, then I think that's going to actually enhance your career and your ability to gain understanding and acceptance and persuade people in terms of your subject matter expertise and what it is that you're hoping for in terms of achieving outcomes. So I can't wait to see you on our business communication and report writing course.